Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Hello all, welcome to our session. I hope by now you might have guessed what our topic for today is. So let's do our reading test. Read the words displayed on the screen. Now read the statements. Be a little quicker this time. How fast could you read it? Just last year, speed reader Annie Jones read the new Harry Potter work that has around 784 pages in just 47 minutes. Amazing, isn't it? Some people are so passionate about reading that they read books one after the other. Bill Gates reads around 50 books in a year. So in today's session, let's see some techniques to improve our reading skills. Friends, take a look at our educational content available on various platforms at discounted prices. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Read the statements given on the screen. Did you read it word to word? Yes? This is where we went wrong. To improve your speed, don't pick word to word. Instead, select bundle of words together. Like, biodiversity or biological diversity is a term that describes the variety of living beings on Earth. In short, it is described as the degree of variation of life. The next line says, it encompasses the following things. So you may just glance through it and quickly move on. Another important thing is the distance. How far or near are you holding the book? Don't hold it too close that it strains your eyes or so far that the words are not clear. Position it in front of your eyes the way you would position the TV or computer screen. Why this is essential is because we have to enhance our peripheral vision, not focus on one word but the whole line. Let's carry out an activity to enhance our peripheral vision. Focus on the red point and allow your eyes to see the concentric circles. Does this happen with you that you were reading something and you went back and reread the same thing again which you have already read? Or you missed the next line and read the same line again? This happens because you fail to concentrate or you're not confident about what you read. To avoid the wastage of time in this process, one can use a pencil, a pen, or just move the finger as a pointer. Plus, as you read, increase the motion of your pointer and train yourself to read with that speed. Okay, so let's do an activity for this fast movement. Focus on the point and follow it. Just the speed is not important. While reading at speed, we can't ignore important things. So you may just read the unimportant part quickly, but slow down when you are reading something important. Especially during our exam, carefully observe the various tricks in the question. Understanding what you read and remembering them is also important. At times, people read something and within seconds they can't recollect what they just read. What can be done in that case? You may highlight the important points or underline them. Another thing that can be done is connect whatever you read with any visuals. Like in the earlier example, biological diversity encompasses the following things. So imagine those things: microbes, plants, forests, which are variable and many in numbers. While reading something, always read the title and the introduction, as this will tell you what exactly you will find in the book. While reading, ask questions about the material like who, what, why, how, where, etc. And at the end, if you could answer all that, you have thoroughly read it. For quality, reading speed is not just the prime factor, but balancing the speed, your attention, and remembering what you read are equally important. If we can enhance all the three things, or say if we can increase the speed without affecting the other two, then we can call ourselves a good reader. Also remember, this cannot be achieved in a day or two. Practice reading daily, and that too quality reading. Train your eyes and brain simultaneously and improve your reading skills. An important thing to be kept in mind is that we cannot finish all the books at the same speed or time. Different genre of books might take different time as the level of understanding required is different. Okay. So friends, what is the benefit of improving the quality or speed of reading? It will just save some time? No friends. Apart from time, there are many more advantages. So here we end our session. I hope this session was useful and you will implement the tips given in the video to improve your reading skills. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.